And while some are already over all this snow, others are loving it. Perfect North is extending their hours to make sure people have plenty of time to enjoy the fresh snow that's blanketing the slopes. WLWT News 5's Richard Childs was there to check it all out.
This is a great opportunity. We never get snow like this.
At Perfect North Slopes this week, business has been going downhill. And that's a good thing.
I got up this morning. I was like, you know what? This is a perfect day. It's sunny outside. Let's hit the slopes.
While back-to-back winter storms shuttered many tri-state businesses, for the Dearborn County, Indiana ski slope, the weather has been perfect.
It's going to be a big day. There's no better reminder that you want to try skiing or snowboarding or get back to it than 10 inches of snow in your yard or driveway.
The snow machines have been still as nearly a foot of fresh powder brought a natural magic to the park.
It almost never looks this white and bright with snow coast to coast like this. We're thrilled.
As heavy snowfalls turn highways into ice rinks, slipping and sliding has reached record peaks on these 23 skiing and tubing runs.
We're used to them having to make snow, and usually that's crunchy, hard snow, but when you get the snowfall, it's perfect because it gives you a good base so they can build the snow on top, and it's a lot easier to ski than skiing on ice.
After braving tri-state roads, even first-time skiers say they're ready for this thrill.
It's a little nerve-wracking, but I'm willing to try it. We'll see how it goes.
Hey, what's worse, this or trying to drive on I-71 on Tuesday?
Driving, for sure.
Yeah.
With record snow totals growing, Mother Nature's bringing with her a welcome winter wonderland.
Go sledding.
Go sledding. Go down the hills.
Richard Childs, WLWT News 5.
And Adam, you were saying you actually don't ski.
I have never tried it. I would love to learn, but I just never have gotten
I'm not a
around to
good
it.
teacher. I think if I ski, I just pizza down the hill the whole time. So if that's skiing, sure, I love to ski.
Yeah.
I'm glad some people are finding maybe the silver lining of all this snow, because I know
True.
for the last week it's been so much frustration with the plows
Yeah.
coming through neighborhoods and whatnot. And then, of course, we are anticipating even more snow.